Are you tired of losing leads who visit your page but never fill out a form? GoHighLevel Leads Capture Chatbot fixes that. Start by adding the chat widget to your funnel or website. This makes your page interactive instead of static. Build a simple chatbot flow that asks questions like name, email, and phone number, keeping it short so people actually respond. Set up automated replies with AI or pre-built scripts so the chatbot feels natural and instantly collects the info you need. Every leads get pushed straight into your GoHighLevel CRM, where you can trigger automations, follow-ups, or even book appointments automatically. That's how you set up a lead capture chatbot in GoHighLevel. Smarter, faster, and way more engaging than a boring form. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. Good luck on your business journey.